Hey guys, I wanted to do a video, a fetal Doppler video on my ghost het moon bred to my moonglow. It's going to be a real cool litter. Everything is going to be visual. Hoping for super moons, super ghosts, snows, aneries. So it's going to be a fun litter. She's due at the end of March, so it is February 8th today. She's due March 27th, so she's still got about 50 days to go. She ovulated in December, so she's about 60 days post-ovulation. From what I've read, you can hear heartbeats as soon as 50 days, and I decided to go ahead and give it a try at 60. This just tells you what the rate's at. You can hear it pretty well. I'm going to try to get some clear heartbeats, so let's see what we can hear. This is where the majority of the babies are going to be at, so I'm going to go ahead and stick this on. Slide it over. I'm not sure if you can hear that very well, but there's a very faint, fast swoosh. Oh, here's a good one. Alright, so we're finding about 120 to 125. They're very faint, but I can definitely hear them, and as I... Oh, there we go. So all throughout her region, we're finding heartbeats. So a good way to determine what is her heartbeat and what's the baby's heartbeat is to actually just go and find hers. I always go to the upper half, probably about a foot down from her head. Just stick it to her side. A lot stronger and a lot slower. Anyways, here's a bit more of my setup. You've got baby racks, lots of AP cages. Oh, here's one of the sun glows showing off. I've just got sun glows. Here's a moon glow. Here is the dad to that litter. Looks like he left me a present. Just a 2014 Moonglow. Well, guys, I hope this helped some people who were a little curious about the fetal Dopplers, but I think it's a really cool tool, and I'm really excited to see how this turns out. Thanks, guys.